Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your cash reserves with simple easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your cash reserves, start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all your financial statements, including bank accounts, investments, and debts. List your total cash reserves and note any discrepancies or unexpected expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Review your monthly expenses and categorize them into essentials and non-essentials. Eliminate or reduce non-essential expenses where possible. Consider adjusting your budget to prioritize cash savings. Set a specific savings goal for your cash reserves. Determine a realistic timeline to achieve this goal. Automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit into a savings account. Explore additional income sources, such as part-time work or freelance opportunities. Consider selling items you no longer need to boost your cash reserves. Monitor your progress regularly, adjusting your plan as needed. Stay committed to your savings goal by keeping it visible. Engage in mindful spending, ensuring each purchase aligns with your financial objectives. Review your financial situation every few months to track improvements. Once you reach your savings target, continue building your reserves for future stability. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, to maintain motivation. By following these steps, you can successfully recover your cash reserves and enhance your financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.